Two streaming powerhouses, each promising something different. Which one really delivers? On the left, Disney Plus, where the worlds of Disney, Marvel, and Star Wars come alive. And on the right, FuboTV, the go-to platform for live sports, news, and all your favorite TV channels. Let's skip the buzzwords and get to the real stuff. Each category earns points, and at the end, you'll see exactly who comes out on top. The result might surprise you. Here's the game plan. We're looking at price, content type, device support, channel and library size, sports and events, family and kids options, originals and exclusives, plus, oh yeah, how customizable each service is. That's all the stuff you really care about when you're choosing a streaming platform in 2025. First up, price. Disney Plus honestly keeps things pretty affordable. Like you can grab it solo or bump up to their bundle with Hulu and ESPN Plus, which is pretty sweet. Sure, if you go ad-free, the price jumps a bit, and heads up, the ad-free bundle is slated for a price hike this November. So if live TV is a must, you'll pay more for that bundle, but on its own, just Disney Plus is one of the cheaper options. Now, FuboTV, okay, brace yourself. The base price starts way higher. Like we're talking $80 up to $115 a month, depending on your plan. There's a nice 7-day free trial, and you can add stuff piecemeal, which is cool. But honestly, if you start stacking add-ons, it gets even pricier real quick. So yeah, if price is your thing, Disney Plus is the winner here. No contest. On to content type. Disney Plus is all about on-demand. And honestly, if you love Disney, Marvel, Star Wars, or anything in the National Geographic universe, it's a literal goldmine. But, don't expect live TV or access to local channels. That's just not their thing. FuboTV, though, now this is your go-to if you're craving live TV. Tons of sports, local and cable channels, news, talk shows, you name it. You can even add sports or movie packs. Pretty cool for people who need their live content fix. There are a few gaps in the premium originals department, and yeah, some regional sports fees sometimes. But overall, for content variety, FuboTV takes this one. All right, device support and streams. Disney Plus is crazy compatible. Like, if you've got a smart TV, Roku stick, Xbox, or just a phone, you're covered. If you spring for ad-free, you can download stuff to watch offline, which is super handy. One thing, though, if your household likes to stream on a bunch of devices at the same time, there's a 4-stream limit unless you're paying for the premium plan. FuboTV? It basically blows the stream limit out of the water. You can have up to 13 streams, including 10 at home and 2 outside. Plus insane DVR storage, like over 1,000 hours. Of course, the best multi-stream feature does come with the pricier plans, so it's not a total freebie. Based just on flexibility here, FuboTV takes the edge. Oh, and here's something cool. FuboTV actually started out way back in 2015 as a soccer-only streaming service. Like, that was its whole thing. Fast forward to now, and it's packed with every kind of live TV you can imagine. Just goes to show how fast streaming can change, right? Let's talk library and channel size, because this is a huge deal for some folks. Disney Plus, pretty big on the on-demand side. Loads of family stuff, super easy to browse, but, well, you do not get any linear or live TV channels. With FuboTV, it's a beast. Like, you get anywhere from 240 to 330 live channels depending on your plan. And in some places, you can even hit around 500. You've got sports, cable, local stations, and even international channels. The only real caveat, yeah, not every single channel is everywhere, so check your market. But overall, FuboTV, easily the winner for sheer selection. Okay, sports fans, this one's for you. Disney Plus? Unless you bundle with ESPN Plus, you're kinda out of luck for live sports. Most of the sports stuff is on demand or not integrated, and sometimes you even have to jump over to the separate ESPN app. But FuboTV is honestly like sports paradise. NFL, NBA, soccer, baseball, the whole 9 yards. Tons of regional and premium sports, with the option to tack on more if you want. You'll pay a bit extra for all the best sports action, but if you want it in one place, FuboTV is where it's at. So yeah, sports winner by a mile. FuboTV. All right, let's talk family and kids. Disney Plus seriously owns this category. I mean, just so much kid-friendly stuff. Pixar, Disney Channel, Marvel, all that. Plus, the parental controls are super solid, so you know exactly what your family is watching. The only catch is, again, it's on demand only. no live channels. FuboTV does have some family content, like sometimes you can get live kids networks, and if Disney Channel's included, that's a bonus. But you know what? Their on-demand family library just doesn't really stack up. So for families, Disney Plus takes the trophy. Originals and exclusives, this is Disney Plus territory again. If you love Marvel, Star Wars, exclusive Pixar stuff, National Geographic originals, this is absolutely the place. Not really much outside Disney-owned brands, but that list is wild anyway. FuboTV, on the other hand, yeah, you might get a few on-demand shows if you add those extra packs or catch some occasional live TV exclusives, but for true blockbuster originals, you're not going to find much. Disney Plus grabs the win here. That's just how it is. Customization. And here's where things flip. On Disney Plus, you can bundle with Hulu and ESPN Plus, but honestly, the core Disney Plus experience isn't really that customizable beyond those packages. It's a take-it-or-leave-it sort of deal. Now, FuboTV is wild for customization. You get this deep menu of add-ons. Sports, movies, tons of international options, expanded DVR, even stuff like family packs. Of course, every add-on pushes the price up, so, that's something to watch. But if you want control, FuboTV wins this round. If you look at both of them side by side, the story's pretty clear. Disney Plus just owns the price game and anything to do with family, originals, and on-demand exclusives. FuboTV is the heavy hitter for sports fanatics, live entertainment, tons of channels, and customization options. Each one carves out its niche. So here's my honest take. If you're watching with kids, hooked on Disney, or you want the best bang for your buck, Disney Plus is still king. But if you're all about live sports, huge channel lists, and like to tweak your setup, FuboTV is a powerhouse. Think about what's most important to you. Family favorites and killer originals? Disney Plus. Or big-time live TV and sports? FuboTV. Want more head-to-head streaming battles like this? Don't forget to follow for all the latest cord-cutting showdowns and updates.